Hello guys, and today I'm going to be doing a story time about the time I almost got ran over by a truck while leaving school. Alright, so this truck was very it was you see it was it was it was what was it? It was oh yeah, the no, not that. What is it? No. No, it can't be. What was it? I mean, maybe, no. The truck was, I mean, it might have been red or yellow. Maybe blue. I mean, it could have been orange. But I know it was black. Or was it white? No, it had to have been black. No, it was it was purple. No, it was pink. The truck was so I left school and oh yeah, I left school and I was doing something and I left the school and the truck it was pink, I think. It was like going and so yeah, I was I was like just leaving the school and it was there was a whole lot of cars and yeah, one of the truck was there and it was like so yeah, the truck was going there and so yeah, I think like the truck was like driving and I left school and I was walking and no, the we see the truck was going pretty fast, I think, and it was like driving down the road, It was like driving down the road, and I was like leaving the school, and the truck was like pink, I think. Maybe it was yellow. Maybe it was red. I don't really know. I think the truck was so yeah, I was leaving school and saw the truck coming down the road. So I like the truck was truck was saw, yeah, you know, you know how you like walk, and you walk to the you like walk down the, you know, the sidewalk, and I think the truck was pink, so maybe it was either pink, purple, yellow, red, green, blue, or orange. I don't really remember. So you might want to go, like, you know how you, like, when you leave school, you gotta, like, you know, you gotta, like, walk down the sidewalk, and yeah, you know, like the pink truck, maybe it was purple, you know, like it came down the road, and like it was driving, and you know, like and yeah, like the something like the car was like driving, and I left school, and I was like walking down the sidewalk, and the car was like it was there, and I was walking, and I saw the car coming, so I just left school and kept walking, and it was like pink. I think it was a pink truck. Maybe it was maybe it was pink. Could have been blue though. I think it was yellow. I think it was yellow though. So yeah, I left school, and I was like walking down the sidewalk, and I was like walking down the sidewalk, and then the truck came, and I was like walking down the sidewalk when the truck came, and then the truck, like, you know, it was pink, maybe blue, maybe purple, you know, it was like, it just came, you know, came to come get me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it came to come get me, and you know, like, I was leaving school, and I was walking down the sidewalk, and truck was purple, maybe pink, I don't really remember though. It might have been yellow though. I don't really know though, you know, I just have to guess, because I was walking down the sidewalk after I left school, and I was you know, as I was leaving school, going down the sidewalk, and then the truck that was like purple, maybe pink, maybe it was pink, I think it was pink, wait, no, I think it was yellow, wait, no, it was red, wait, no, it wasn't, I don't really remember, because I was walking down the sidewalk after I left school, and it was coming really fast, and I was running, I think. No, I was walking. Maybe I was running. No, I was walking. Maybe I was running. No, I was walking. I could have been running though. I don't really remember. So yeah, I was, you know, the truck that was like pink, maybe purple, I think, came like running, and it was like I was leaving school, you know, walking down the sidewalk, and in the truck, pink, maybe purple, maybe red. It was probably magenta, I think. Maybe maroon, I don't really remember. So yeah, the truck came, and it you know, tried to run me over, and I think I was walking down the sidewalk after I left school, and the truck that was like, you know, it was like driving, and it was like going, and I think I almost died, not gonna lie. Maybe I didn't. I don't really remember. I mean, maybe I actually, I don't know. What am I? What yeah, that's my story time. I hope you enjoyed it.